welcome back to my channel. So I'm not gonna hold you long with this little intro, but basically if you guys are new to my channel, I call all my subscribers my cousins. So all you have to do to become a cousin is subscribe to my channel, so go ahead and do that. Okay, so basically what this is an old braid out from my previous video, which was already done on old hair, which means that this hair is super old. But
thank you for being a friend.
We're at home, so we're still stretching, okay? So a little swoop bang, you know what I'm saying? Stretch, wash day, one more day. And usually when my hair goes up in a bun, it's like the end, like the true end of the road. I'm going to be using two products. First, I'm going to be using pretty much the last of this old jar of Camaro's Naturals that I have. I know you guys like, dang, anybody to your channel 3 times in a row. And also because it was very close in my cabinet, because I recently used this product on my hair as well, I'm going to be using the new formula of the Wetline Xtreme, which I kind of like. I've been using to lay my edges and stuff like that. And I also used it for a wash and go, and it's okay with me so far. So I'm going to see how I like it to slick up my hair and do this bun. Hair fails and old hair makes the best messy, carefree, curly buns. Okay, so I'm going to start by sectioning off the front of my hair for the swoop. I'm making about a 4-inch wide rectangle part, and the only side you want to be super anal about is the outside, because that's the only side that will This part is kind of awkward and does take time and patience. To secure the swoop in place, I wrapped it to the back and then pinned it up into my ponytail. After securing my swoop the best I could, I'm going to lay my edges and then spray a little free spray before tying everything into place. I'm also going to spot define and scrunch and shake to wake my curls back up. After about an hour of dry time, my results look a little something like this. My technique could use some work, but overall, I love the look, and you guys seem to really like it as well over on Instagram. Let me know what's up in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, or both before you leave. Love you guys.